episode 79 of Credit 101. In this episode, we're going to talk about student loans. Now, student loans is very, very serious, you guys. And the reason why student loans are very serious is because they can actually intercept your tax refund, which nobody wants that. And they also can garnish your wages. I know nobody wants their wages garnished. So please listen up, especially if you guys have student loan problems, because one of these options could actually be perfect for you. So you guys can actually call them and try to see if you can defer your payments. The best thing about being in school, some people go back to school just to get their payments deferred. That's one thing I like about being in school. I get my payments deferred as I'm paying them down. But the thing that I like about deferred payments that you don't have to pay on this. You can ask them, hey, can I defer them? So definitely call them and see if you can defer your payments. And if you know you just got out of school and you can't pay, usually you have to wait about 6 months before they start making you pay. So call to confirm this time frame, because some people just get so concerned thinking, oh, I just got out of school, they're going to make me pay. That's not always the case. So please call them and see, hey, when am I going to have to make my first payment? I just got out of school. Sometimes I probably wouldn't even just call them. I would let them just assume that I'm in school. They will definitely let you know. But on your phone, put a 5-month calendar out just to see if they did something, just in case they already got you set up to make you start paying. That way you can be on time with that, or you can try to see if you can actually do like a forbearance. A forbearance is also a time where you don't have to pay. So this is just, hey, I cannot pay. Can you do a forbearance for me right now? So definitely call whoever your servicer is and ask them if you can do a forbearance. Some people also consolidate their payments, especially if they have like a very large payment that they can't pay when they actually add up all of their different payments. So please call them to try to see if you can consolidate it, because they can actually help them. And please forgive me for the bad talking that I'm doing. It's so hard to talk on my braces. I'm still trying to get used to all the talking, and I just talk so fast. Maybe I should just slow down. But please try to see what you can do to consolidate it. Consolidate your student loans. Some people do this to actually have like a smaller student loan payment, but also people do this to have better rates too. So try to see if you can consolidate it, because that can actually help you all out a lot. And sometimes if you guys were to do like the income-based repayment plan, they have that plan, they will make you pay based off of your income. And I remember when I didn't have much money to pay on student loans, I was able to pay $0. So usually if you get government assistance, they can put you on a $0 repayment plan. So please call them and ask them about that, because that can help you guys out a lot. And then they do have options where if you pay on it for a certain amount of time, after that time period, they will actually throw out the rest of your student loans. I wish I would have known about this in the beginning, though, honestly, y'all. I really wish I would have known about this in the beginning, because I would have just stayed on the income-based repayment plan and just roll that thing all the way out until I think it's like 120 payments, but please confirm. It's basically 10 years of payments. I would have rolled that thing on out, and then all the student loans would have been thrown out. But definitely ask them about that. And if you guys have it where they're all in collections, they're just bad, look into rehabilitation. Rehabilitation is great for a lot of people, especially if you have those loans that's just so bad you can't actually bring them back. They report it back on your credit reports. Usually when you guys do like a rehabilitation, they want you to pay a certain amount, and once you pay on that for I think like 9 to 12 months, but confirm with them, because I think it's like 9 months, but I just extended out to 12 months just in case something changed. Call them and see how long you have to pay on it. Once you pay on it for that amount of time, usually they'll fix whatever negative that is reported to your credit, and they'll put you back on some type of regular payment plan or something like that. And you don't have to worry about them intercepting your taxes or anything like that, or garnishing your wages. So hopefully that helps. I'll definitely see you guys in the next episode. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. But I'll see you guys in the next episode.